Here I am recording this class. Okay, here this is the question. We can see the question on the screen. The question is, we have to first draw the triangle ABC. And here the body says A, B and the C all are given. Okay, let me just take one point A. Here the point A is, what is the coordinate of point A? Swastika, what is the coordinate of point A? Here, please tell me that by seeing this question. Here in the questions, what is the coordinate of point A? Swastika, I am not receiving your voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me that what is the coordinate of point A?
2, 3.
2, 3. Not say directly 2, 3. 2, 3. The coordinate of A is 2, 3. Okay, this means we have to first go 2 unit right and then 3 unit up. Okay, let me just little bit zoom in on this graph. Okay, first, okay, let me just here, let me just drag this question. Where is the question? Okay, here is the question. Okay, let me just plot this point A, 2, 3 here. 2 means the first component is, first number is 2, so we have to go 2 unit right, and the second number is 3, so we have to go 3 unit up, and then finally we will obtain this point. And this point is just the point. What will be the name of this point?
A.
This is just the point A. Okay, and here the point is already used. Okay, let me just delete these points, and here, okay, let me just rename here. Just a moment. Okay, let me just rename this point A. Okay, and let me just show its label here. This is point A. Okay, here in the first step we have just plotted this point A, and the next point is point B. Natasha, what is the coordinate of point B?
Sir, 4, 5.
4, 5. We have to go 4 unit right and then 5 unit up. Then we will find out, we will reach to the required point. Okay, let me just little bit drag here. Okay, 4, 5. Okay, let's identify the 4, 5. Okay, this is the point. Okay, this is the point here, 4, 5. Okay, and what is the name of this point? What is the name?
B.
B. This is just the point B. Okay, let me just show its label. Okay, here we have just plotted these 2 points A and B, and let's plot this next vertex C. Okay, Mr. Series.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the coordinate of next point C? What is the coordinate?
Sir,
Here, you can see on the screen.
is the perimeter of
C. What is the coordinate of point C? 5, 2. Okay, here the coordinate of the point C is 5, 2. So let's plot the point C. 5 unit right, and then only 2 unit up. Okay, and then finally we will reach to this point, and this is just the point. This is just the point C. Here in the very first step we have just plotted these vertices. Okay, let me just connect these all the points, and here a triangle will be formed. Okay, let me just connect these points. We have to connect these points by using the ruler. By here the line should be very straight. Okay, let me use the next color. Let me use the next color to this figure, triangle. Here the triangle ABC. Okay,
Yes, sir.
are you all understanding up to these steps?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, in the very first step we have just made the object. This is object. Okay, this is the before the transformation. This is the given object. It is here triangle. Here the first task is here completed. We draw the triangle ABC in the graph. The first task is completed. Okay, let's go to the next task and find the coordinates of the image A prime, B prime and C prime. Okay, let's find out the location of A dash, B dash and C dash. And here the rotation is through the positive 90 degree. Okay, rotation is positive 90 degree. A positive 90 degree ma, we have a rule. In positive 90 degree we have a rule. Who
Yes, sir.
can tell the rule? Can you tell me the rule? What is the rule of positive 90 degree?
सर त्यो डाइरेक्ट त्यो के अरे ax, y अनि रोटेसन गर्दाखेरि a dash minus y by x.
Very good, very
comma
good, very good. Mr. Rosan, sorry, Mr. Yozan is telling absolutely right. Mr. Yozan, okay. Very, very good. Minus y comma x. Okay. Okay, Mr. Yozan, okay, let me just show you one. And here, Mr. Yozan, here coordinate of point A is 2, 3. And after rotating it by 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction, what will be the new coordinate?
anti-clockwise ma sir.
Yes, positive 90 degree. Okay, we are going to rotate positive 90 degree. That means anti-clockwise 90 degree. What will be the image point of this point A? A ko ke huncha hola? Can you guess?
a को सर 2, minus 3.
You said the formula right, but here little bit mistakes.
Minus 2, 3.
First of all, we have to take the 3, okay, with negative sign. Minus 3, 2. In 90 degree plus 90 degree. In plus 90 degree, we have to first take the y component with negative sign, with opposite sign. So negative 3, 2, okay. सुरुमा y लाई लिने, पछाडीको लिने, त्यसलाई साइन चेन्ज गरेर है, 3 लाई लियो भने साइन चेन्ज गरिदिनु कति भयो -3, 2 हुने भयो है त. Okay, let's find out the point -3, 2. Okay, let me just find out. We have to go to the left. -3, 2. Okay, this will be the point. And what will be the name of this point?
Dash A.
A dash. Okay, very good. It is A dash. Okay, this is A dash. I like this. Okay, Mr. Anamol.
Yes, sir.
What is the coordinate of point B here?
-5, 4.
Okay, the coordinate of B dash, you say directly B dash, minus how much?
5,
Minus
4.
5, 4. Very good. -5, 4. Okay, let me just identify the point. -5, 4. Okay, this will be the point. This is just the point. What will be the name of this point? It is just the B dash. Okay, this point is just the B dash. Okay, and let's do the final okay, and here the C dash. Okay, let's find out the C dash. And what will be the position? What will be the coordinate of C dash? Okay, this question goes to Natasha. Natasha, what will be the coordinate of C dash?
Sir, -2, 5.
Very good. -2, 5. Okay, let's find out the point -2, 5. Okay, Natasha, today Natasha is understanding very well. Okay, this is just the point. What will be the name of this point, Natasha? What will be the name of this point? It is C dash. Okay,
C.
it is the image point of. Okay, it is the image. Okay, let me just delete these unnecessary points. Okay, let me just delete this. Okay, here this point is just the C dash. It is the image point of the vertex C. Okay, and the next step is just connecting these image points A dash, B dash, C dash, and again A dash. Okay, and here the track. Okay, let me just do once again. Here the points are not properly connected. Let me just connect these image points. Okay, A dash to B dash, C dash, and again A dash. Okay, and here finally we obtained a triangle. Triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. And this triangle is just the image triangle. This is just the object triangle. Okay, this is image, and the okay, this blue color triangle is object triangle, and this red color triangle is just the image triangle. Okay, let me just start. Okay. Okay, here this blue color triangle is just the object triangle, and this black color triangle is just the image triangle after rotating. And what will be the next step? We are not finishing the whole task, and some steps remains. What will be the next steps? Can you guess?
Sir, naming. के अरे line
Joining, okay,
line.
joining. You
Yes,
have
sir,
to first
joining.
join to the A to the center. Here the center is origin, okay. ए जहिले पनि
Yes,
सेन्टर
sir.
यसमा पनि भनेछ about origin भनेर. Here the in question about origin, so we have to connect these all the points, all the vertices to the origin. Okay, let's connect these all to the origin like this. And these connecting lines should be dotted. Okay, these should not be solid lines. These connecting lines all should be dotted.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, let me just connect here. And let me just give the dotted line to all these lines. Okay, let me just go to the option for the dotted. Okay, let me just change. कि मेरे dotted line बनाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रोसँग बनाउने है. These connecting lines should be dotted. है यो चाहिँ dotted हुनुपर्छ. फेरि अर्को solid दियो भने and the type of the shape will form there. Okay. Yeah, let me just change these all the lines to the dotted lines. Okay. Here I am doing. Okay. Here. This is the next step. Next step is just connecting all the vertices to the center. Here the center is origin. So we have just connected these all the vertices to the center. Okay, let me just little bit zoom in. Okay, and we have the last step. What is the last step?
Short compass
Compass. Very good. In the last step, we have to just give the, we have to just show the path of the rotation. Okay, let me just take the compass tool to show this path of the rotation. We have to connect A to A dash, B to B dash, and C to C dash. Hey, okay, let me just connect by using the compass. Compass लाई कहाँ राख्ने? Center मा राख्ने है त. Compass लाई center मा राख्ने अनि O मा जाने है. ए सुरुमा कम्पासलाई सेन्टरमा राखेपछि अब ए मा जाने है त. ए लाई आई एम जस्ट गोइङ टु कनेक्ट ए टु ए ड्याश. सो वी हैव टु गो टु द ए एन्ड वी हैव टु कनेक्ट, वी हैव टु रोटेट लाइक दिस. द डिरेक्सन शुड बी एन्टी क्लकवाइज. ओके, द डिरेक्सन शुड बी एन्टी क्लकवाइज. जस्तै तिमीले यो घुमाउने बेलामा ए र ए ड्याश जोड्ने बेलामा यताबाट घुमाउन पनि सक्छ के यताबाट है. लेट मी जस्ट शो 1 सेकेन्ड. म तिमीलाई यताबाट देखाइदिन्छु यो है कताबाट घुमाउने भनेको. तिमीले यसरी घुमायो भने ओके, लेट मी जस्ट शो हियर. ए लेट मी जस्ट शो द ओके है. तिमीले यसरी पनि घुमाउन सक्छ फेरि झुकिएर यसरी घुमायो भने. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट शो हियर. यसरी घुमाइदियो भने है. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट युज द नेक्स्ट कलर टु दिस. लेट मी जस्ट युज द नेक्स्ट कलर. ओके, hey तिमीले यो कलरबाट है यसरी गयो भने त this will be the mistake. Okay, so we have to use this black path. Okay, we have to use this black path and that path should be dotted. Do you understand? Don't use this color part. Don't yes, go through this path. Okay,
yes sir.
बुझ्यो नि कुरा? यो बाटो चाहिँ नजाने. कलर भएको यो dotted path we have to move like this. Okay, let me just delete this unnecessary path. Okay, okay, and like this we have to connect the next vertices. Okay, let me just connect the next vertices. Okay, and by putting the compass at this center, and let's go from B to B dash. Okay, and similarly we have to go C, we have to move C to C dash. Okay, and these all the connecting arcs, this all the connecting arc. Okay, this is called as the arc that should be dotted because it is just the path of the rotation. So we have to give the dotted path. Okay, here finally we solve this question. Let me just little bit zoom in, and here a beautiful drawing is formed here. Okay, let me just little bit zoom out. Okay, and here this is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer of this question. And in the question, okay,
सर हामीले यसमा नाम लेख्नु पर्छ कि पर्दैन?
यसमा पनि पर्छ है त, सबैमा लेख्ने हो. म त्यो पनि लेखिदिन्छु. And here we have to do here the question is find the coordinates of A dash, B dash, C dash, and we have already find out the A dash, B dash, and C dash here. A dash, B dash, C dash. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just use the annotation tool. Let me just use the annotation tool to show which one is the object, which one is the image. Okay, these are the image coordinates. Okay, these are the image coordinates, and this is just the image, this is object, and this is just the center. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and these are the path of the rotation. Okay, let me just use the text tool to write here. What is its name?
Image.
Image. Very good. It is image, and this is what we call this? Path of rotation. Okay,
Part of rotation.
rotation. Path of the rotation, and it is just the
Object.
object, and this is the center.
Center.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Finally, we labeled all these required informations. Okay. Okay. Let me just little bit zoom. Okay. We cannot zoom in, and the okay, here after annotating, after giving the name, यो चाहिँ तिम्रो हिजो पनि यस्तै भयो थियो, यो चाहिँ अलिकति ह्याङ हुँदो रहेछ के सर नेम लेखिसकेपछि हिजो पनि यस्तै बेलामा भएको थियो. Okay. You can take the screenshot, my dear students. You can take the screenshot of this answer. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, this is the required answer. This is the final answer.
Yes, sir.
I hope you all understand. Are you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the process of doing the rotations all are very same. Hey, sabai त्यस्तै छ. We have to memorize the rule only. In plus 90 degree, or is the rule in minus 90 degree, there will be the different rule, and in 100, the very easy rule is in 180 degree rotation. The rule is just changing the sign. In previous class, in the last class, we discussed about the 180 degree rotation. Today here we discuss about the 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the very easy rule is just the 180 degree rule. Okay. Okay, just a moment here. I am going to clear this all the unnecessary parts. Okay, just a moment here. I think my computer is little bit hanged in. Okay. Similarly, we can solve the question number 9A. So question number 9A is a homework, and most of the students did not submit their homework in Google Classroom. If you did not submit your homework, then I will provide 0 marks for the homework, and your marks will be added in the final result of first terminal examination. So you have to give your submit your homework in time.
Yes, sir. सर मैले त्यो उसको पठाइभएछ है, उसको पठाउँदै हो सर. क्वेशन नम्बर 1 2 अनि 3 र 4 को र 6 को त्यो सँगै आछ, त्यो पठाउँदै हो.
Hey, you have to submit your homework in the related in the respective folder. Okay, in the respective folder only. Hey, respective folder मा मात्र submit गर्ने. ए अरुमा submit नगर्ने.
सर मैले सर यो 70 भ्याउन लाग्छ सर. अझ बेलुकासम्म पठाइदिन्छु.
Okay, and your marks will be added. Okay. Okay, you can take the screenshots also. Hey, again screenshot liye sir. ल ठीक छ. Okay. Here we solve these questions very nicely. Question number 9A is a homework, and we will discuss in our next class. We will discuss about the final type of the transformation. The final type of the transformation is just the slide. अब हामीले पढ्ने भनेको slide है, जसले के पनि भनिन्छ, that is just called the translation. है, त्यो भनेको के हो, एकातिर भएको इमेजलाई अब्जेक्टलाई, जस्तै यो अब्जेक्टलाई सार्दिने मात्र है, यसलाई सर र अर्को ठाउँमा पुर्याउने, यो सार्ने काम मात्र है, यसलाई just called the slide, or we can say the translation, and that is just the last transformation. We will discuss about that in our next class. Okay, I hope you all understand this today's lesson. Okay, Mr. Series, Mr. Series, Okay, I am not getting the response from Mr. Series. Okay. Swastika. Swastika, I am not receiving your response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Swastika, today do you understand about this question number 9b? Do you understand all this solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will upload this video in the Google Classroom. You can watch this video from Google Classroom just by downloading. If your video is not played directly, cannot play directly, then you can watch just by downloading. First download and then you can watch, okay, without buffering.
Yes, sir.
First download, then you can watch. And this file will not be so large. I think this is just a 15 or 16 MB file, so you can easily download from that Google Classroom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my dear students, this much for today. We will meet in our next class. Have a very good day and do your tasks in time and then submit. Okay.
Yeah.
Have a very good day. Thank you, all of you.
Bye-bye, sir.